What is emergency use authorization? Emergency Use Authorization, EUA, is an authority granted to the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, FDA, to approve the use of drugs or medical devices during emergency situations. This enables the FDA to quickly provide access to medical countermeasures against chemical, biological, radiological, and nuclear (CBRN) threats, ensuring public health protection during urgent medical crises. The EUA allows drugs or devices that are not yet fully approved to be used for specific emergency indications, providing critical support for healthcare professionals and public health officials in responding to emergencies. The purpose of EUA is to enable public health authorities and physicians to deploy the best available countermeasures for detecting, preventing, or treating specific health threats. This approval is crucial for countermeasures that are not yet FDA approved for the intended emergency use. The issuance of EUAs aligns with the FDA's mission to safeguard public health by guaranteeing the safety, effectiveness, and security of various products, including human and veterinary drugs, medical devices, biological products, and those emitting radiation. The FDA issues an EUA only if 4 specific conditions are met. First, the CBRN agent addressed in the EUA must pose a serious or life-threatening risk. Secondly, there must be evidence supporting the efficacy of the countermeasure in preventing, diagnosing, or treating the health condition. This is assessed on a case-by-case basis through a risk-benefit analysis. Thirdly, the FDA considers the totality of scientific evidence to determine whether the known and potential benefits outweigh the risks. Lastly, there must be no other approved alternatives available for the specified emergency condition. The EUA process begins with the determination and declaration of a health emergency. Once this is established, an EUA request is submitted, which the FDA reviews based on the type of emergency, product profiles, existing applications, and the urgency of the threat. The FDA then decides to issue or reject the authorization, which is terminated once the emergency ends. Review timelines vary based on these factors and the workload of the FDA's reviewing center. In contrast to a typical new drug application, the EUA does not require that a product be at a specific stage in its development. The FDA may impose conditions on the EUA to protect public health, including requiring specific information for healthcare professionals and recipients, monitoring adverse reactions, keeping records, and setting restrictions on advertising and product distribution. During the COVID-19 pandemic, the Department of Health and Human Services declared a public health emergency, prompting the FDA to issue an EUA for Remdesivir as a COVID-19 treatment. U.S. biopharmaceutical company Gilead Sciences Incorporated developed Remdesivir, which received EUA on May 1, 2020, for severe COVID-19 cases, and later expanded authorization for moderate cases under the brand Veklury.